Last session was fun. Oh, how I miss my little friend. Hey, you are here? I just thought about you and how fun the last session was. Don't you remember? In the last session, we added 10 different characters to hide their numbers placed at different spots. And aren't you excited for creating today's session? Well, I am, because today we will be animating 10 characters. Animation is the most exciting part in creating a game, isn't it? Today we will be animating the characters in such a way that when we tap on them, they vanish and then reveals the number that are hidden behind them. We will also be adding some random characters to confuse the players and then add a title to the empty whiteboard. So let's begin. First, let's open Scratch Junior. Click on the home icon. Click on the project we created in the previous sessions. Let's have a recap on what we did in the previous sessions. Click on the full screen icon on the top of the stage. In the previous sessions, we set a classroom background and then added the teacher, Miss Emma, to the background. We added and placed the numbers from 1 to 10 in the background. In the last session, we added 10 different characters from the character list available on the Scratch Junior to hide the numbers from 1 to 10. So, in today's session, we will be creating animation to show or reveal the hidden numbers from 1 to 10. You have got to wait for that. This is gonna be fun. To exit the full screen mode, click on the exit full screen icon on the top left corner of the screen. Our game is to find the hidden numbers. The number should start to pop up or should be revealed when we click on the specific characters we used to hide them. So, let's create the animation for the characters in the order of the numbers. To reveal the number 1, we must add animation to the yellow triangle character we created to hide 1. So, click on the character box of the yellow triangle. When we tap on the yellow triangle, it should hide such that the number 1 is revealed and is no longer hidden. So first, click on the yellow triggering block and click on the second block, Start on Tab block. Drag and place to the workspace. Next, click on the purple looks block and click on the fifth block, the hide block. Drag and place it on the workspace. Since the animation is done, let's check what happens when we tap on the yellow triangle. Click on the yellow triangle and ta-da! The triangle hides and the number 1 is revealed. Now, click on the reset character icon on the top of the stage to bring back the characters to either their original position. The same animation should be added to the remaining 9 characters, hiding the remaining numbers from 2 to 10. Which characters did we use to hide the number 2? Yes, the car character. Well, do you like cars? I'm sure that you dream of owning and riding a car once you grow up. But always keep in mind, never ever ride or sit inside a moving car without wearing your seatbelt. Wearing your seatbelts keep you safe and secure. So now, click on the character box of the car character. Click on the yellow triggering block and click on the second block, Start on Tab block. Drag and place it on the workspace. Now, click on the purple looks block and click on the fifth block, Hide block. Drag and place it on the workspace. Let's tap on the car character and see? The car character hides and the number 2 is revealed. Click on the reset character icon on the top of the stage to bring back the characters to their original positions. As I mentioned earlier, the same animation is to be done for all the characters. Let's not waste the time, because there is an easy way to add this animation to the rest of the characters. Click on the code on the workspace. Drag and drop it on the character box of each of the characters we added to hide the numbers. So, click drag and drop the code in the character boxes of the ball, the basketball, the football, the table, the notice board, the earth, the night table, and finally the whiteboard. Let's tap on the characters and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! We have found all the hidden numbers in order. Click on the reset character icon to bring the characters back to their original positions. We found all the numbers easily because we created the game. But the game should be tough for a new player, right? For that, we must try to confuse them. But how do we confuse them? We can add random characters to the background so that the player would tap on those characters thinking the numbers are hidden beneath them. That's a brilliant idea, right? So, let's start to add new characters to the background. Click on the plus sign on the left to open the character list available on Scratch Junior. Let's click and select this basketball character to the background to confuse a new player. Click on the tick button. Click drag and place the second basketball character right next to the pink ball character. Since the size of the second basketball is a bit too big, click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, the string block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it once. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. Click drag and adjust the position of the second basketball in the background. Did you know? The first game of basketball played on 21st of December 1891 was played using a football. A basketball like the one we use now was invented later on June 6, 1946. Let's add another character. Click on the plus sign on the left. Once again, click on the pink ball character and click on the tick button. Since the size of the pink ball is also big, click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, string block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it twice. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. Click drag and adjust the position of the pink ball. Look, there are 3 letters from the alphabet right below the whiteboard. A, B, and C. What about placing the letter D to confuse the new player? So, click on the text icon on top of the stage. On the white text box, type the capital letter D. To change the text size, click on the text size icon and then click on the second text size. To change the color, click on the text color icon and click on the blue color. Now, click anywhere on the stage. Let's click drag and place the letter D right next to C and above the basketball character. I just noticed that the whiteboard looks empty for a classroom. Don't you think so? Let's add something to it. Click on the text icon on the top of the stage. On the white text box, type "Let us play a game." To change the text size, click on the text size icon and then click on the first text size. There is no need to change the color of the text. It's a whiteboard and so the color black is apt for it. Black and white is undoubtedly the best combination. Like the black and white strips in zebras, It's beautiful, right? Now, click anywhere on the stage. Let's click drag and place the title on the whiteboard right here. Hooray! Let's watch all that we created in today's session in the full screen mode. Click on the full screen icon on the top of the stage. Ta-da! So in today's session, we learned to do animations to reveal the hidden numbers which were added and hid in the background in the previous sessions. Let's click on the different characters and try to find the hidden numbers. Click on the table, the ball. Well, nothing happens. Click on the pink ball and ta-da! The number is revealed. Click on the basketball and wow! We have the number 4 over here. Let's click on this table. Here is the number 6. Let's click on all the other characters and find the rest of the numbers. There's the number 5, 9, 8, 2, 7 and 10. There is one more number left. Where is the number 1? Where did we hide the number 1? Yes, beneath the yellow triangle we created. So, click on the yellow triangle placed over the yellow color paper. And see, there is a number 1. Yes, you did a great job. We found all the numbers from 1 to 10. Now, let's exit full screen mode. Click on the exit full screen icon on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the reset characters icon to bring back the characters to their original positions. To save the project, click on the home icon. Yay! Here you can see the project we created and saved in today's session. So far, the game looks amazing. But there are few more steps left for us to complete. To transfer the game into a proper game format, we need to add a cover page along with our game. So, in the next session, we will be adding a fabulous cover page to our game. I am so thrilled to try it out. So, stay connected with Scratch Junior. Until then, bye!